Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Mua Wavinya Ndeti niwavingua kisese cha uthoosya wa Mota Sya kiumunthi ile itumiaa mwaki wa Stima na sitena uthu kwa mawithyuluyluko. Aineena kyathini ki na kila kyatwaiiw'a Mua View Total Wavinya niwaweta kana silikali musitalini wa mbee kuikiithya kana niyailya na kukilya utandithya ayenda toima Mota Sya bodaboda kwiyandikithya nthini wa ikundi ni kana kutetheka na ilovia sainando kivo cha Uwezo Fund. Daniel Mwangela na ripoti ino.
Ngavana wa kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti ndaneena kyathini ki mwana cha kwambililia kambuni uthoosya wa Mota kila kyatwaiiw'a kisioni cha Mua niwaweta kana silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku niyikiite mawithyuluyluko mailu ma kusisya atandithya kuma nza wa kaunti ino na kwailya maundu ma utandithya.
In Machakos County, we welcome investors. We say Machakos is a place to invest, and we try to give you conducive environment to do your business. Rom, I would like to thank you with your CEO here for also thinking of coming to really bring a green energy to Machakos. And I'm happy to hear total change from it was changed to total energy, which means now they combine either petrol, diesel and all that, and also green energy. We can only make ourselves a little heaven on earth here, we the Machakos people, by making sure that we are taking care of our environment and moving to green energy.
Ivindani yu ni wakathiye tambiwa kambuni uthoosya wa Mota Sya itumiaa Stima na weta kana niwone musyo na nukwitha tutethesya kusuvia mawithyuluyluko na kusovya miana ya mawia.
Here, good environment. Come and open your factory here so that you can employ more of these young people of mine. We are ready to give you land. We are ready to give you land for you to invest because this is light industry. Lazima sisi wote tujikakamue. Mumeona nimechukua vijana nimepeleka pale MYS. Si ndio? Hao vijana mwisho ya hii mwezi watapata certificate. Hiyo certificate wataweza kwenda kuwa plumber ama kuwa mechanics.
Mwa mawisa nene makambuni wa Mota Sya Stima ula wakathiye tambia silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku nundu makwata mbau na kumanenga mawithyuluyluko masio mautwaisya utandithya wo.
Tumewaletea pikipiki ya Stima. Moja hii kitu itawasavia a lot of, inaleta cost savings. Governor leo ametuambia chakula mezani, pesa mfukoni. And that's exactly what this bike is going to do. We are really honored to be part of this and for you guys to be here. Grace occasion na kutukaribisha huku, tunashukuru sana. And for the county government of Machakos joining us for just to enhance and make better the climate and giving the vision and our mission of giving reliable and clean transport to the country and spreading it across different counties. We are glad that Machakos has taken that up and that you've received us really well.
Daniel Mwangela, Mutongwe TV, kumuva kauntini ya Masaku.